it fell off the roof. So I'm in my conservatory today because I want to test out this little gadget, which is a robot window cleaner. Now there's loads of windows in this conservatory, of course, but they're really easy to clean, especially as I've got a Karcher window vac. But the big problem in this room is actually the roof. The roof is really difficult to clean because you've got to get ladders out and some sort of brush and hose up on them to scrub them clean. It's very difficult to get rid of all the green film that forms on them. So I don't know if you've seen on Twitter or TikTok, there's Sarah Go Green who's got one of these and she's been going on about how great it is at cleaning all of her windows. Well, I clearly want it to do the roof, so I thought I'd get the exact same one to see how it performs on a conservatory roof. It's made by a company called Fmart, or Fmart, not smart, Fmart, 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 Fmart. I don't know how you say it, it's really difficult to say. So I'm going to test it first on an inside window because apparently it just sticks straight to the glass and then it'll sort of swoosh itself around and clean the glass going all the way around. And it's got a battery in it, but that's just for emergency purposes if the power cable fails for any reason. So let's give this a go. So what I've done with the cleaning pads is just get them very, very slightly damp with a little bit of water. You're supposed to just spray them 2 or 3 times with a bit of water, but I've sort of put a bit more water on than that because I think they're going to need a bit more water to do a good cleaning job on this. And I'm not sure if you can see on there, but it says in Chinese, safety rope must be installed before use. So I think I just connect this little bolt here to the bottom of the cleaner. Right, I'm just putting the pads onto the robot. Okay, I'm going to put it in the middle here and hold down the power button for 3 seconds. It seems to be holding. Comes with this little remote control, so I think I just press this button here and it should... Oh, there we go, it's moving. Wow, well that's actually done a pretty good job. Sarah did mention to me that it could leave circular marks on the windows, so you just have to wipe it down with like a paper towel afterwards, but I can't see any marks at all on this inside of this window at all, so I think that's done a pretty good job. But its big challenge is going to be the roof, so I'm going to get the ladders out and stick this up on the roof now and we'll see how it does up there. Turn it on. Okay, so you can see it's stuck to the roof there. So I'm going to press play on here and let's see what it does. It's doing absolutely nothing. It's really struggling. It made it all the way up to the top and it's come all the way back down, and it doesn't appear to have made any difference whatsoever to the green muck that's on the conservatory roof. What it really needs is a good soaking. It's sort of baked on. It's really crusty. Ugh, crusty roof. Right, let's give this another chance and spray it with water. Now it's important to point out here that the user guide does specifically say to wait until your windows are dry and not to use this on wet glass. But I'll be honest, I don't really know what else to do about all that stuck on algae. Right, I've given the cleaning pads a good clean to get rid of all the green muck that was on them. You know what, I think that's working. It's doing a reasonable job now. Look, you can see where it's been, because there's like green on the left, but it's clearer on the right. Got a problem. It fell off the roof. So that's pretty typical. I stopped filming and it decided to fall off the roof of the conservatory. So I haven't actually caught it falling off the roof, but the power button's broken and I can't turn it off. So I've got to wait about 20 minutes for the backup battery inside to run out of juice. So as the fans all turn off, and then I can take it apart and see if I can fix the power button. It's still going. I don't know what to do. Look, the power button is stuck in. Not doing anything. Shut up! It's rattling as well. I don't think it's supposed to rattle. So have a look inside here then. I've totally smashed up the power button. You can see just here, that's the power button, but that's what it should look like. So I need to swap that little button out for a working one. And luckily, I just so happen to have got a bag of little switches here. So I have fixed this now. I had to solder a new little switch on a circuit board inside here and realign the power button as well. Just to prove it is working, I'm going to put it on the window. So look, this is not the solution for cleaning your conservatory roof, it turns out. I make the mistake so as you don't have to. But for cleaning windows, it works really well. It cleaned this inside window perfectly. And I reckon it'll do the outside as well. Whether it's worth the effort or not of using this, I don't know. It took about 12 minutes to do this one window, which if you multiply that up for the rest of this conservatory inside and out is a good couple of hours really. So look, if you want to pick one of these up, they are a fun little gadget. Just use them on normal vertical windows. I'll stick a link down in the description in case you want to go and take a look. They do another version that's got like a spray bottle built into it, but it hasn't got as good reviews. It seems to be a bit more unreliable, whereas this version seems to have got pretty good reviews. Anyway, don't forget to give this video a like if you found it useful, and subscribe to my channel to see more from me. These amazing people here are my channel members and patrons, so if you'd like to get early access to my videos, some behind the scenes footage, and maybe a little shout out at the end of the video, then check out the links down in the description to see how you can support the channel. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.